and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. I'm doing a quick update on my 1983 Kawasaki GPZ 1100 project. And when I looked at the bike, the gas tank on the bike was rusted out inside. It had been lined, and the tank has been lined. You can see that, so there has been, at some point, there's been some rust inside the tank. So I really don't like bikes with the liner in the tank. If I can help it, I like to find the vintage bikes that have clean tanks. But I like the bike otherwise and picked it up. I just got back from the Potomac Riders Vintage Motorcycle Swap Meet and Show. And it was in York, Pennsylvania. And on a cold, snowy January day, it was a great place to be. It was a good show. I found gold. I found a perfectly clean inside 1983 Kawasaki GPZ 1100 gas tank. And it was a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but you know, I figured till I got the tank right and, you know, potentially repainted, depends on what process they had to do to get the rust out of it. I figure I would be better off just buying this tank. So it also came, the gentleman would not separate the parts that he had for the same bike, but I also had a very nice condition front fender, the two side panels, and a decent condition tailpiece as well. I may, if these are nicer, I'll have to look, but if these are nicer than the ones that are currently on the bike, I'll just swap those out. But like I say, this one has perfectly clean gas tank inside. The outside of it really is nice. I haven't buffed it out or anything, but it'll shine up nice. It does have a couple of just very minor nicks, but overall it's probably nicer outside than the one that's currently on the bike. So I'm excited to put that on. I also picked up a stock swing arm for the bike and a stock rear shock. So I now have most of the parts I need. I still need a shock linkage for the rear suspension. I'd like to get the stock link side stand, and I'd also like to get a center stand for the bike. But I am excited to, once it warms up a little bit, I've got a new clutch to put in the bike. I've got a lot of kind of parts that I'm squirreling away for when I can get to it next. Really kind of take this bike to the next level as far as making it really nice. And boy, the gas tank, if you have a gas tank and it's got rust inside, or it's been, the lined ones aren't as bad, but if it has rust inside, that can get down through your carburetors, or in this case, your fuel injection. It can also get into your engine, and you just don't want that. Once again, man, I'm super excited and looking forward to getting these parts actually on the bike. So that wraps up this quick update on the GPZ 1100 project. And stay tuned for more episodes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, ride safe.